Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice low-calorie. First, you'll need to add a small amount of coconut oil to your cooking water before adding the rice. Just 1 teaspoon per half cup of uncooked rice is enough. This clever trick helps transform the rice's starch, making it less digestible and significantly cutting down on the calories your body absorbs. It's a simple change with a big impact on your meal. Once the coconut oil is in the boiling water, add your rice. Maintain a standard 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice for best results. Cook the rice thoroughly until it's soft and fluffy, just as you usually would. The magic happens subtly during this cooking phase, as the coconut oil interacts with the starch molecules, initiating the calorie-reducing transformation. No special equipment is needed, just your regular pot. After cooking, the next crucial step is to refrigerate the rice for a minimum of 12 hours. This cooling period is vital because it further converts the digestible starches into resistant starch, which your body can't easily break down. When you're ready to eat, simply reheat the rice gently. The low-calorie benefits remain intact, offering you a healthier option without sacrificing taste or texture. It's a fantastic way to prepare meals in advance. This easy method works wonderfully for many types of rice, whether you prefer white, brown, or even basmati. You can now enjoy your favorite rice dishes knowing you're consuming significantly fewer digestible calories. It's a simple, effective way to make a healthier choice every day. And speaking of smart choices, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your home tidy with minimal effort. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.